power of words.
In a small town nestled in the countryside, there lived a man named Tom who had a reputation for his cruel and vicious tongue. He would speak ill of others, spread rumors, and make hurtful comments without any regard for the consequences of his word. One day, a new family moved into the town, and Tom's words quickly spread like a wildfire. He started spreading false rumors about the family, making up stories about their past and telling everyone in town to stay away from them. As a result, the new family found it hard to make friends and integrate into the community. They felt isolated and alone, and it began to take a toll on their mental and emotional well-being. One day, an old wise man came to town. He was known for his wisdom and insight and had a reputation for being a man of few words. When he heard about the new family and the rumors being spread, he decided to pay Tom a visit. Tom was surprised to see the old man and was even more surprised when the wise man asked him to take a walk with him. During the walk, the wise man shared stories of his travels and spoke about the power of words. He shared how words could be used to uplift and inspire, or they could be used to destroy and harm. He explained that words could be like a knife, capable of inflicting pain and causing harm, but they could also be like a soothing balm, capable of healing wounds and bringing comfort. Tom listened to the wise man's words with rapt attention, and for the first time in his life, he realized the impact his words had on others. He began to reflect on his actions and the harm he had caused to the new family and others in town. The wise man's words had a profound impact on Tom, and he decided to change his ways. He went to the new family, apologized for his behavior, and invited them to dinner. Over dinner, Tom spoke about the wisdom he had learned from the old man and how it had changed him. The family was moved by Tom's words and forgave him for his past behavior. From that day on, Tom became known for his kind and encouraging words. He went out of his way to uplift and inspire others and became a pillar of the community. The wise man's visit had saved lives, for it had not only changed Tom, but had also brought the new family into the fold of the community.